Good morning, students. Last class we studied about physical change, chemical change, and reversible change and irreversible change. Now, today we are going to start expansion and contraction. What is expansion? When we heat a material, when we heat anything, then the constitutional particles of that material gain energy. We all know when we heat anything, it expands and start moving at a higher speed. Due to the higher energy, the particles move away from each other. As a result, the size of the material increases. It means when we heat anything, either solid or liquid or gas, it expands and gain in size. This increase in size on heating an object is called expansion. So, expansion is a reversible change because on cooling the material regains its original size. This decrease in size of an object just opposite of expansion. When it is cooled, it is called contraction. Expansion, when we heat anything, it gains in size. Contraction means when we decrease in when we cool down, it decreases in size. It is called contraction. So both expansion and contraction are reversible and physical change. Let's understand expansion and contraction with the help of an example. To fix a metal rim on the wooden cart wheel. Wooden cart wheel means bullock cart, horse cart, camel cart, etc. The rim is heated. It heated so that the metal expands. The rim gets fixed on the cart wheel, and when it is cooled, the metal contracts and fits the wheel. At the last of this chapter, I will see you the image of this thing. Expansion and contraction is maximum in gas and minimum in solid. So the order of effect of temperature on different states of matter can be very little in solid, slightly more in liquid, and maximum in gas. Means gas expands maximum and solid expands minimum. Now there is an activity which will show the expansion and contraction in liquid. Material required: a laboratory thermometer, beaker, graduated beaker used in laboratory, lab, ice and ice cold water, and burner. Procedure: take a laboratory thermometer and note the temperature on it. Now dip the bulb of the thermometer in the ice cold water. Note down the temperature. Also note the volume of the ice cold water by a measuring scale, or maybe sometimes beaker also has some measurement. Now put the beaker on the burner and let the ice cold water to boil. What will happen? And then dip the bulb of the thermometer in the boiling water and note the temperature, and also note the temperature of the boiling water. Plus note down all the readings and write down in the table below. Ice cold water and boiling water, temperature and volumes. What will happen? The volume, you will see the volume of water increases with increase in temperature, and when we cool down, it decreases in size. There is a second activity also to show the expansion and contraction in gases. Material required: balloon, glass bottle, beakers, boiled water and cold water. Procedure: take the balloon and the glass bottle and fix the balloon on the rim of the glass bottle. ग्लास के ऊपर में माउथ के पास you have to put the balloon. Keep the glass bottle in the beaker with hot boiling water. What will happen? Observe what happens to the balloon. You will see in the picture, balloon is inflated. Now place the bottle in cold water. Second picture, in cold water, and observe the change. You will see here in the second beaker, the balloon is deflated, means pichak gaya. What is the observation? The balloon get inflated as the air inside the balloon and the bottle expands on heating. Heating means it is dipped in boiling water, and when the tube is kept in the cold water with iced water, the gas contracts and so the balloon deflates. Means वो फिर से उसका हवा निकल गया, पिचक गया वो. So in the previous activity, the balloon gets inflated as the air or gas inside the balloon and the bottle expands on heating when kept in boiling water. And when the bottle is kept in the cold water, just opposite occurs and the gas contracts and balloons deflated. Hope you understand. Second example is gaps between the railway tracks. The solids also expand on heating. Not much, not as liquid and gas, but it also expands a little while. This is the reason why the rails of railway track have some gaps in between them. You must have heard that derailing of tracks. The iron bars which are used on flyover and bridges also have little gap to prevent from any accident, because these bars expand during summer and contract during winter. Now some applications of expansion and contraction. First, you must have experienced when your bottle of tomato sauce or jam, sometimes it does not open. The jammed metal lid or of a jar can be opened by heating. When the lid of the jar or the bottle is dipped in warm water, the lid of the bottle expands slightly and can be opened easily. Mercury expands on heating and contracts on cooling. It is used in clinical thermometer, which are used for measuring the body temperature. Mercury absorbs heat and expands from the body and expands. The level of mercury rises in the glass tube, thereby indicating our body temperature. And third one, electric wires are not tightly hung on the electric pole. They are loosed, as these wires are exposed to hot and cold weather conditions, both hot and cold. If hung tightly due to contraction in cold weather, they can be snapped. Snap means they can, वो टूट सकता है. Okay. Here this chapter ends. These are the key terms. Reversible change, changes that can be reversed. Irreversible, that cannot be reversed. Physical change, in which properties of substance remain the same. Chemical changes, in which property of the substance change. Expansion means increase in size of an object when it is heated. Contraction means decrease in size of an object when it is cooled. And these are the recall. Recall means summary of this chapter. Changes can be categorized as slow and fast, reversible and irreversible, and physical and chemical. Physical change are generally reversible, whereas chemical changes are mostly irreversible. Solid, liquid, and gas expand or contract when heated. Here is you can see iron rim fixed around a wooden wheel. Iron rim is heated before fixing around the wooden wheel, and then it fixes onto the wooden cart. This is also a type of expansion example. Iron blade of a spade. A spade means it is called in Hindi kulhari or something. And wooden handle. Iron blade of a spade fixed to wooden handle. Same process. Metal is heated and then fixed into the wooden rod something. And this is tawa. You see at your home daily. This is also fixed by the process of expansion and condensation. This is all about this chapter. Any problem you can ask me. Next day we will do some objectives and question answer. Thank you.